Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to show you how to make a proof of activity post. Your first post at the academy should be your proof of activity. And how do you make that? It's very simple. So just come to your profile. Make sure you're in your LinkedIn profile, which shows your profile this way. You could easily come to your profile if you're using a PC. You could easily come to your profile by clicking on something like this, your image, or you come if you're using a mobile phone, just click on where you see your image this way, just click on it and it brings you to your profile. So when you get to your profile, the proof of activity should contain the following. It should contain an update of your education. So you have to come to where your education is on your profile. So you see experience, you see education, which is very important. You are coming to this tech academy to learn a skill, so you need to update your education session regardless of the university you've been. So you need to click on this plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you'll see add education. So what education would you add? You add Bilad Tech Academy. So you say Bilad Tech Academy. Before you finish typing, you'll see something like this. You'll see this. You can actually take that right now and it's going to update the school. So the degree should be a BTA, which is Bilad Tech accreditation. So it's a BTA degree, and your field of study should be what you're studying. So mine should be cybersecurity, and okay, so mine should be cybersecurity science, and bug bounty. So yours could be anything, but this is mine: cybersecurity science and bug bounty. And the month I started is March, and the year I started is March 2026. So end dates or expected end dates, I could actually input that or leave it till later. So my end date should apparently be June, then my end year should be June 2026 to learn the skill for 3 months, and my grade should be left empty. My activities, you could actually put some activities and say cybersecurity. Okay, so cybersecurity, bug bounty. Okay, so you could write a brief description about it, which is very, very important. So write a brief description about this course I'm studying at Bilad Tech Academy. So I want to use ChatGPT to actually find something to write regarding my activities. So if I were you, I would just come this way and say Bilad Tech Academy. So I got admission into Bilad Tech Academy. I got an admission into Bilad Tech Academy to study cybersecurity science and bug bounty. List out my activities and brief description for my LinkedIn profile optimization. Okay, profile optimization, not just profile optimization, it's going to be education. Okay, my LinkedIn educational profile optimization. So let's see what it gives us. So I'm using ChatGPT to just refine what we're going to write there. So now this says nice day strong. So you could see this is cybersecurity science and bug bounty program. So you could actually leave that to yes, cybersecurity and bug bounty. And here you have your activities and description. So you could actually take some of these activities right here. So activities and description, highly recommended. So I want this to be in simple sentence. So here your activity and skill vulnerability assessment is right here. So I could easily come here to actually input all those. So it says activities and society, bug bounty, vulnerability assessment is one of those things you'll learn. And let's see, it says web application, network security. These are activities. Yes, so we're going to copy this. Of course, we're going to copy that. Then we're going to come right here to input this. So there we are. Then the next thing we want to do is to write a brief description. Write a brief sentence description, because that's all you need. Yes, so you have to make sure everything looks neat. A brief sentence description, that's what I need right here. So it says currently training in cybersecurity, focusing on ethical hacking, bug bounty. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to just copy this, just one of those sentences. I don't need too much, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to bring it here to the description. So the description can be up to 1000 characters. This can be up to 500 characters. Grade can be up to 80 characters, but these are what we need. So adding your skill now. So you can add your skill, vulnerability assessment. As you could see from the initial test, it gave you the skills you need. So you could see if you want your profile to rank better in searches, include keywords, like as you could see right here. So you see the keywords it's included. So here we are. So here we have the skills and everything. I have up to 100 skill on my profile already, but I could still add some. Let's see cyber. Let's see cybersecurity. Yes, that is added. So you could add vulnerability, threat and vulnerability management, which has been added as well. So you could add more skill that is related to cybersecurity. Now the media, how do you add the media? So I'm about to add the media. What I'm going to add is a link. I'm going to add a link to Bulatech Academy website. So let's do that. So I'm going to add link right now. So let me just go to www.bulatech.com, which is the website. So I'm going to get out the link to this website right now, and that is what I'm going to input here. So I'm going to copy the link right here, copy, then I'm going to paste that right now. I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to add. So once I add it, you see the name of the logo of the brand comes. Then you see your home, you say Bulatech Academy. So I'll just say Bulatech Academy. So the description can be inputted. You could say Bulatech Academy, own your future, learning one skills online. So you could leave that, but let's just save this. So having to save this right now, I have everything set. So this is basically how to do the first thing when it comes to your proof of update or proof of activity. So I'm going to save this right now. So having to save this, you will be able to actually share with your connection. So right now, education has been saved, and where we could have every other thing, you connect with other people. So I'm going to skip that right now. If you're using a phone, you will see a place where it says your education has been updated. Next, ask for a recommendation to boost your credibility. I'm going to skip this, but right now you could share this update with your people, with your connection, so you get to see what you're into right now. So you could see I just updated my education, and that actually adds to my profile. So that's how to do that for one. Then two, right now, if you're using a phone, you would have been able to send the updates to your connection, and they'll start congratulating your DM. That as well can actually spark reactions in your DM and all those things. But right now, I want to create my first post and talk about me being admitted at the academy. So I could use any of the following. Of course, I could use any of the following. I could use something in my Gmail, the admission letter, or I could use my identity card, which I have these. So you could change this to your profile picture, so you have something like this. So I could easily download my identity card, and when I have my identity card downloaded, I just did that. Or you use something in your Gmail. So when you check your Gmail, you see your application, you see different fees paid for you. For instance, this is one fees paid for me. I could easily use this. So this says, dear Bullard, we have excellent news. Your application fees amounting to 10,000 has been successfully processed and fully waived. So here you're going to have a scholarship fee where you could actually display that. You could actually make this what you want to make it of, or you could actually use your admission letter. So this is the official admission letter. So don't show your access details, just this admission part is okay. So I could actually snip this out or screenshot if you're using a phone. So I could snip this out just to show that I've been admitted. So yeah, so I'm going to just have something like this. So when I have something like this, right, I could use ChatGPT as well. I don't need to do too much. All I have to do is to start a new chat on ChatGPT. Then I'm going to actually get that screenshot that I just did. So I'm going to get the screenshots instead of using my ID. I could use my ID as well. So here's the screenshot, and I would say I want to create a proof of activity post on LinkedIn regarding my admission at Bilatech Academy. So I'm going to have this sent, and my image is being analyzed. So let me see what I have right now. So here is my proof of activity. All I have to do is to copy this. And having to copy this now, I want to post. So I'm going to come back to my LinkedIn to make a post about it. So I'm going to come back here right now. Then to make a post about it, I need to attach something, right? I could attach the ID card. I could attach any of those things just to have my post right now. So let me just attach any of those. So right now I'm waiting for this to get loaded so I could start my post right now. So I'm going to come to my photo right here, and having to come to my photo right here, I'll be able to add an image or attach an image to whatever I want to do right now. So let's start a post right away. So now I'm about to start a post. So let me click on the add media, which will take me to where I'm going to add an image. So here I have an image. I could use my ID, like I said, I could use any of those things. So this is my ID right now, and I'm staying in week 1. So I'm going to have this next. So here we have the ID instead of the admission letter. I could use that as well, but basically let me use the ID right now. So I'm going to paste my updates, and right now I'm going to edit just to make it look finer. So I'm going to say I'm excited to share a big milestone in my journey. Yes, that will be my first update. I've officially been admitted into Bilatech Academy. So here you have Bilatech Academy. Make sure it is properly tagged. You need to use the art button. When you use the art button, you'll see Bilatech Academy. So you have to take Bilatech Academy, then you'll see this bolded text which says Bilatech Academy. That means you've properly tagged the academy. So here we have, I've officially been admitted into Bilatech Academy. So I'm going to leave a space in between just to make my post look neater. And here we have, this opportunity marks the beginning of a deeper dive into securing systems, identifying vulnerabilities, and growing as a tech professional. So here I'm going to input a space in between just to make my post look neat. Your post should be scannable. So whenever you're posting, always make sure there is enough white space, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm looking forward to the challenges, learning, and collaborations ahead. Yes, so I'm going to have this right now, and there we are. So grateful for the chance to take this step forward. I could actually remove the M dash and put the actual dash. The journey to tech excellence starts now. So I had to take out all the emojis, all the icons, because it's not needed. And here we have a post. So this is too much for an hashtag, so I could take out some. So let me just take out some right now. I could use official cybersecurity hashtag. Then I could actually use Bilatech Scholar, which is the official hashtag for Bilatech Academy Scholar. So I could say Bilatech Scholar, which is that, and there I have a post. This is my first proof of activity. This is the first post you need to make as a scholar. So I'm going to post this right now, and that way I have a post, and that is how to create a post. So when you look at this post, you'll see, let me view the post right now. As you could see, this is the post right here. You could see this is the actual tag, because you see the blue highlights different from every other text in the post. That means I tagged the academy correctly, and you could see these hashtags, they are all correct. So that's how to see how to go about this. That's how to make your proof of activity post. So go make that right now if you've not. That is how to go about it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.